This video is about turning a 1920s old dilapidated garage into an income producing Airbnb or short-term rental in general. Okay, what is behind me? We have an actual cinder block wall that was built yesterday. Instead of that old and dingy garage door that was here, we took that down and then we had this built. Not only did we have the cinder blocks put up, we also had the window framed out so that we can have that installed and have that in the bathroom. I am a game show host. Life is a game. Jeff is going to be my handy dandy associate here, putting in the window for me. And look, from the outside, it's gonna look wonderful. We're going to stucco over this, so it's gonna look like the house over to our left, and it's all gonna look cohesive and nice. I wanted to show you from the outside, even though you're not gonna see it from the outside, but what the setup is for the bathroom. So come on over here where the window is. So right here, underneath, like right here, it's going to be the toilet. You're not gonna be able to see anyone because we're gonna put some type of film or something on that window. So it's gonna be like a privacy, so you won't see anyone pooping or peeing or showering or whatever. This is gonna be where the toilet is. This is where I think we decided a 32-inch vanity is going to be, and then we're going to have a 30-inch by 4 to 5 foot shower, I think, right here. So it's gonna be very nice and bright. This is the only window in the garage apartment. So the cool thing about what we've decided to do is behind this area, so where Jeff is gonna be standing, he's going to show you where you see his head back up a little bit. No. Keep going straight. Stand where the pocket door is going to be. Use the pocket door, Jeff. Oh, that would be... Are we putting a urinal? Oh, I forgot. Men stand. That would be funny. So Jeff is going to be using a pocket door to get into the imaginary bathroom. And then you have all of this light that's going to be shining in. And the cool thing is that, yes, you can have the front door of the garage open for some light, but then you can also have the pocket door open so you actually have the light from the window coming in. So we have two ways of having some nice natural light. And Jeff is going to show us right now what the window is going to look like when it's on the inside. I'm just waiting on him. Ooh, ah, everyone say it with me. Ooh, ah. So this would be quite nice. There is a screen, so whoever is in the bathroom or staying in the garage apartment can lift it up and have also the nice nature sounds if they want that too. Or to, breeze out the poo-poo that's maybe in there. Hello. So this is the window. It's going to be obscured a little bit so you can't see what's going on. I'm gonna have some privacy, but this is where the toilet's gonna go. This is where the 32-inch vanity is gonna go, and the 30 by 50 to 60-inch shower. And then on the other side, there's gonna be a wall, kind of where those electric lights are, or the lights are. That's just kind of think of a wall there. And there's gonna be a pocket door in front of the toilet to allow the light in. And then you'll have the kitchenette. So it'll pretty much be like a undermount fridge with a sink. And I'm thinking like open shelves so it doesn't seem too boxy and whatnot, but that's pretty much it. And then in the corner over there where all of our supplies are, just think of that as like a bedroom area. And then on the opposite side of that will be like a little couch with a TV maybe. I don't know. We'll figure it out.